Should students continue distance learning for the rest of the school year? That's the big question attorneys in Florida continue discussing. The Florida Education Association continues their legal action to shut down in-person learning for the rest of this year. ABC 27's Jada Williams joins us live outside the FEA headquarters after another day in court. Jada, what was the outcome today?
Well, Channing, today it was a small victory for the Florida Education Association via Zoom court. Judge Charles Dodson telling lawyers for the state that he has no plans to dismiss the lawsuit filed against them.
By denying the motion to dismiss, I'm not in any way saying that the plaintiffs are going to be successful with their case. They still have the burden of proving their case, and
Judge Charles Dodson ruling Friday afternoon that there's reason to hear why the Florida Education Association says Governor DeSantis and the Florida Department of Education's emergency order is unconstitutional.
I'm asking the court to decide any funding issues here. The funding for the 2021 school year has already been appropriated by the legislature. The money's there. The question is, can that money be reasonably utilized to pay for student learning through the use of computers?
The Florida Department of Education issued an emergency order on July 6th, requiring all Florida public K-12 school districts to reopen brick-and-mortar schools as an option for families 5 days a week. Florida's Commissioner of Education Richard Corcoran defending that order multiple times.
They absolutely should have that option, and it will not come out of the emergency order.
The FEA filed a lawsuit in Miami-Dade County 2 weeks later. That lawsuit targeting Corcoran, Governor DeSantis, the Department of Education, and other local governments, while teachers statewide led protests and rallies to keep the doors shut.
We don't have the tools.
Yet attorneys for the Department of Education and the government saying the emergency order at the center of the argument is the best course of action, saying 54% of the students across the state opted to return to the classroom, many without much of a choice.
A balancing between protecting the students and protecting the teachers and protecting the staff and the community and providing that high quality education.
So Jada, what are the next steps and how quickly could we get a ruling from that judge?
Well, Channing, the next steps includes both sides taking the matter to a mediation. The judge has set a target date of Tuesday at midnight for them to come to some kind of a decision out of that mediation. Now, if that doesn't happen, the judge has a ruling scheduled for Wednesday, August 19th in the morning, where it's likely he will make the final decision. Reporting live, Jada Williams, ABC 27.